what's a mental diamond?
Okay.
Greg, please.
If you think of a diamond, like a 7 of diamonds
I
on
do,
a playing
yeah,
card,
I do.
right? The top part of the diamond would be like a triangle, and that's really your conscious mind. It's like, I know I have to do this, what do I have to do? And you're consciously thinking about what you need to do. The bottom part of the diamond is the subconscious, okay? So this is where our power is. Just before I came here tonight, I'm getting everything ready, got my suit, my tie, got everything in my car, and James, as I'm sitting in my car, I have this feeling that I forgot something. And I'm thinking, well, it's not my camera. I got my camera.
Got my camera.
I got my tie, I got my suit, I got my brush. I said to myself, what am I missing?
Yeah.
The conscious mind didn't have the answer. And then as I was driving around the block, I thought, oh, I forgot my cold medicine. But it came to me from the subconscious. And so what I teach people is to go inward first is really where your power is. It's tapping into your subconscious mind. The resources that you need to be successful in life and business are not necessarily in the conscious mind, because the conscious mind is limited. The mind can only think of a few things at one moment. It's the subconscious mind that has the answers, and we have to tap into that.